How to create an account on OKX. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to create an account on OKX, then it is super simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the OKX application and get to this login screen. From here, tap on the sign up button at the bottom of the screen and now select your country or your region on the next page. After choosing your country, click on this little square box at the bottom and click create account at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. After typing it down, click on sign up. But if you've got a referral code, you can type it down. Just tap on the have a referral code link and type it down in the text box. And finally, click sign up. Now, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to you via your provided email. Go ahead and check your email inbox. Click open the email and you'll receive a verification code. Type it down exactly as it appears. And on the next page, write down a phone number for yourself. Enter your phone number after selecting your country code and tap next. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to the provided phone number via SMS. Go ahead and write it down. Follow through the instructions and you'll also need to complete your identity verification. After you do that, you'll be able to get inside this homepage of OKX. After you are done with everything, you'll be able to deposit crypto or buy crypto directly if available in your region. So that's how you easily sign up for OKX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.